activities in our yet to be operationalized regional centers. But I can assure you that with the NIA project, you will see us in Kumasi, you will see us in Tamale, Ho, and Takoradi, because we have ready available offices to start those projects. But we roll it out first in Accra, and in a few days we start out into the other offices. Why are we doing this? We are doing this because this creates jobs for the teeming youth of Ghana. That is why we are here. Not to just be here and be managing facility. It's to create the enabling environment for youth to be employed, for youth to be empowered, for jobs to be created. The NIA project, for instance, between us and the NIA, in Accra here alone, is supposed to give an opening of not less than 30 new jobs. So imagine we are able to replicate the same scenario across the country, times 60, would at least reduce the unemployment situation a little. With that, we add it to whatever other agencies are doing, then we'll be making headway. These are all also in line with His Excellency's vision of a 24-hour economy. Because to operate a fully functioning BPO center, you don't sleep. BPO centers don't sleep. If you go to India, if you go to Singapore, Malaysia, their BPO centers don't sleep. They run around the clock. That is why, before I sit, when you come here at night, you ask whether they don't close, they don't sleep. Because we've been able to ensure that the lighting situation has improved. Because without lighting situation, security is what? Lapsed. So we've been able to put in place adequate measures in terms of lighting and security. The first lift of our facility